Yoga is spiritual, mental, and physical practice which is incredibly beneficial to our overall well being. Today, we are performing one yoga sequence which helps to improve flexibility, strengthening muscles, and relax your mind. In short, it is a workout which involves both body and mind. Today's sequence has total 12 steps. First, we are going to stand at Samapad position, that is, both feet close together and hands in namaskar position. We will hold namaskar pose throughout counting. So let's feel the music and yoga poses with my instructions and counting. Count 1. Tap your right leg. 2. Take your right leg back and hold warrior pose. 3. Slightly bend back and stretch your chest and arms. 4. Take right leg back to position. 5. Go for Vajrasana. 6. Shashankasana. 7. Hold the same pose, that is Shashankasana. 8. Get back to Vajrasana pose but on toes. 9. Shift your right leg forward and go for Anjaneyasana. 10. Lift your body and hold warrior pose. 11. Take your right leg back to position. 12. Get back to our Samapad position. Now we are doing same sequence but with left leg. Count 1. Tap your left leg. 2. Take your left leg back and hold warrior pose. 3. Slightly bend back and stretch your chest and arms. 4. Take left leg back to position. 5. Go for Vajrasana. 6. Shashankasana. 7. Hold the same pose, that is Shashankasana. 8. Get back to Vajrasana pose but on toes. 9. Shift your left leg forward and go for Anjaneyasana. 10. Lift your body and hold warrior pose. 11. Take left leg back to the position. 12. Get back to our Samapad position. Like this pattern, we will continue all rounds with the alternative right and left side. Round 3. Right side. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. Round 4. Left side. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Round 5, right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Round 6, left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Round 7, right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Round 8, left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Round 9, right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Round 10, left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Today we did 10 repetitions, but according to your stamina, you can gradually increase the repetition count and speed. We hope you will try this and experience something new with this yoga sequence. Do share your experience and comment below. Thank you for watching.